Trap bar deadlift. Stand inside the trap bar. Your feet should be just outside from shoulder width apart. Slightly flare toes. Bending over, grabbing the side handles with a neutral grip. Dropping hips down in position with slightly bent knees. Pushing chest up, head upright, core tight, and pull your shoulders down towards your hips. Slightly push your knees out into your forearms. Then on the concentric motion, pulling the trap bar up at a medium pace, thrusting your hips forward. Breathing out, pushing the chest upwards until you are completely straight. Shoulders pull back, slight pause to contract the glutes, hamstrings, quads, core and trap muscles. Then come down slow and controlled on the eccentric motion. Breathing in, you should set your hips back and letting your knees bend. Slight pause at the bottom to contract the glutes, hamstrings, core and quad muscles. Then continuing each rep with correct form and technique.